Hey everyone, hope you all are doing good, and today I'm here to explain you about incense waterfall reviews. Guys, in this video I'll help you know whether you should buy from this website or not. And guys, if you have experienced any fraud over this website, then watch this video till end because I'll share the way to get your money back. So stay tuned with us and let's get started. So this is the homepage of this website, and it is an online shopping site which is based in United States that deals with aromatic incense waterfall burners for body and soul, incense cones and water fountains. So this was the offering information, guys, and now let's check out the prices. So guys, the prices of these offerings are too good to be true, and let's check out the shipping information of this website. For that, you need to visit the FAQ section. Now here you can find out the shipping or delivery information, and you can see all orders will take approximately 1 to 9 business days to process, and guys, delivery within the United States takes approximately 12 to 25 business days after processing, and international delivery will take around 14 to 30 business days. So this was the shipping information, guys, and now before going further, I request you all to hit the like button, share the video with your friends and subscribe our channel. And let's move on to those important points on which we can judge this website as a scam or legit website. So guys, this website is using a valid and secure HTTPS connection, and this website has an SSL certificate that makes the website secure to access, so which is a positive sign. And talking about the domain information, the domain name was created on 6th of February 2020. So guys, this is an old website, but according to a study we found that this particular domain name is registered for 1 year only. So we need to explore the entire information before making any decision. Now let's check out the About Us page of this website. So this is the About Us page of this website, guys. They have provided their mission, vision and values and the images of the offerings as well, but they have not provided the business establishment year information and business owner name. So this is a negative sign. However, let's check out the contact us page of this website. So this is the contact us page, guys. You can see they have not provided the company's official address and contact number, but yes, they have provided an email address which matches with the domain name, which is a good sign, guys. So this is the contact us information that you can check. Now talking about social media presence, so you can find out the various social media icons available on the website, and this site has strong social media presence on Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest and YouTube. But guys, this time the Instagram page or profile is not opening due to some error, so you can check out the social media existence on Instagram later. Now talking about return policy, guys, let's check out the return policy of this website. So for that, you need to visit the FAQ section again. And guys, here they have mentioned that 30 days return policy after the receipt of the product. Guys, do comment about your experience regarding the return or refund of the product. Now guys, talking about incense waterfall reviews, we have found positive reviews on the official website. You can also check the positive reviews. Here is the review section, and apart from that we have found 4.1 rating out of 5 on the internet. And guys, most of the customers are satisfied with the quality of these products, and one of the customers said, I liked everything put on the table to his son. Now he is delighted. Packaging is great, seller, thank you. And guys, another customer wrote that I love it. It came inside the cutest boxes. I also bought some Shodo incense and it has become the best addition to my meditation and studying. However, guys, few customers wrote negative comments. One of the customers wrote the material is cheap, the smell is too strong and not that good. The cons: do not last for more than 5 minutes before you have to change it, and the waterfall messes up at any sign of wind, whether you are walking by or just simply opening a door. So this was the negative comment by a verified user. So guys, it's totally up to you. We have found mixed reviews about this site on the internet, so you can make a wise decision by exploring the website at the best level on your own. And guys, this website appears to be legit, but yes, if you want to purchase anything from this website, we highly recommend you to check out the site carefully before you decide to place any order. Guys, if you have money related problem, then you can get your money back by checking our links in the description area. Do comment your thought about this video, because we read all your comments over every video. So guys, hit the like button, share the video with your friends, and subscribe our channel to get more notifications. Thanks for watching this video guys. Have a good day.